Tesla ramps up Sweden price war with cheaper Model Y offer. Tesla has introduced a new 40,000 Swedish kronor incentive in Sweden, lowering the price of its most affordable Model Y to a record low. The incentive effectively acts as a manufacturer-funded EV bonus and makes the entry-level Model Y more affordable. As per a report from Swedish auto outlet Alt-Om Elbo, Tesla Sweden is offering a 40,000 Swedish kronor electric car bonus on the entry-level Tesla Model Y rear-wheel drive variant. The incentive lowers the purchase price of the base all-electric crossover to 459,900 to 459,990 Swedish kronor, depending on listing. The bonus applies to orders and deliveries completed by March 31, 2026. Tesla Sweden is also offering zero-interest financing as part of the campaign. Last fall, Tesla launched a new base version of the Model Y starting at 499,990 Swedish kronor. The variant features a refreshed design and simplified equipment compared to the premium and performance variants. The new 40,000 Swedish kronor incentive now pushes the entry model well below the 460,000 Swedish kronor mark. So far this year, the Model Y remains the most registered electric vehicle in Sweden and the third most registered new car overall. However, most registrations have been for higher premium spec versions. The new incentive could then be Tesla's way to push sales of its most affordable Model Y variant in the country. Tesla is also promoting private leasing options for the entry-level Model Y at 4,995 Swedish kronor per month. Swedish automotive observers have noted that leasing may remain the more cost-effective option compared to purchasing outright, even after the new discount. The base Model Y rear-wheel drive offers a WLTP range of 534 kilometers, a top speed of 201 km/h, and a 0 to 100 km/h time of 7.2 seconds. Tesla lists energy consumption at 13.1 kWh per 100 kilometers, making it the most efficient version of the vehicle in the lineup and potentially lowering overall ownership costs. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.